demo of Powerblock. I'm gonna add empty one, and inside, I'm not gonna type it, I'm gonna copy some HTML. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's put in red, and I copy all of this text, and I'm gonna add it here. So that's it, it's there. And to make it editable, I just click Convert to Powerblock, and it will add different power classes, as we call them. So from now, discover or create tennis classes. I can change the text, I can format it as I like, with fonts and everything, and it's really powerful. I can add a link here to a good form. You get the idea. I can style everything as I want to, and if I click Edit Powerblock, everything is nice. If I want to add more code here, I can do that. For example, let's imagine I had a P, hello world. I will save it. It appears here. I can leave it static, or I can make it editable by just selecting the line and click Convert to Power Text. And that's it. It allows to import and code amazing blocks. We have a few different examples. This one is another example where inside we've added different CSS in the Powerblock CSS, which means it will be only applied to this content block. And we can also add for the specific page or globally across all content. And it's a very powerful tool because we also support images. So we can select an image in a Power Image and it will look great. So let's go ahead and preview what we did. I can click to open it, and that's it. We have our content, which is there, and the button, we've linked it to a booking form, so it's also there. And this is how easy it is to work with Powerblock. We have a small library, not here, sorry, but here in HTML, of Powerblocks library, so you can easily add some of the Tailwind examples, or you can add your own with an empty Powerblock. You can browse the documentation and contact us on Discord if you have any question. We hope you like it, and we can't wait to see what you do with this.